In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your iPhone screen onto your Mac computer. So I'm going to be showing you two different ways to do this. One of them will work wirelessly and the other one will require a USB cable. So the first method, if you want to go and do this wirelessly, is you first need to make sure your Mac computer and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if I just open up the settings app on my phone here and click on Wi-Fi, you can see that I'm currently connected to this network, and I need to ensure that I'm also connected to the same network on my Mac computer. Now, once you've done that, just head over to your Mac computer, then go and click on the Mac symbol in the top left-hand side and select System Settings. Now from here, click on the General tab and then go and select AirDrop and Handoff. Now click on the drop down arrow next to where it says AirPlay Receiver and make sure this is set to everyone. And once you've applied this setting, you can head back over to your iPhone. Now from the iPhone, we're just going to swipe down in the top right hand side and you should see this kind of double square icon next to the lock symbol. Go and click on that. And here you'll find all of the different devices that you can go and mirror your screen to. So you should be able to see your Mac from the list of devices, and all we simply need to do is click on our device like so, and you may be required to enter a passcode, so this will usually pop up on your Mac computer, and you'll just need to go and enter that same password onto your iPhone. Now once you're connected, you can then mirror your iPhone screen over to your Mac computer, and that's the first way to go and mirror your screen. Now the second method involves using a USB-C cable. So what you want to do is just go and grab your lightning cable and you want to plug one end into your Mac computer and the other end into your iPhone. So once you've plugged in your iPhone to your Mac computer, you may get a trust message pop up on your iPhone. Just make sure to allow any notifications and make sure to trust this computer. Now to ensure that your iPhone is correctly connected, just open up the Finder app on your Mac computer and you should be able to see your iPhone in this left-hand panel, and that indicates that the connection is successful. Now what you need to do is come over to the search box in the top navigation and just go and search for QuickTime Player. Then we can just go and open up the application like so. Then come over to the top navigation and click on File and click on New Movie Recording. Now click on the drop down arrow next to this record button, and from here you need to go and select your iPhone. Make sure the quality is set to maximum at the bottom of this window, and you can also sync your audio by selecting your microphone to iPhone from the list. And as you can see, everything we now do on our iPhone is mirrored to our Mac computer, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.